Hello everyone, Scott Girard here, and in this video I'm going to be talking about Clickfunnels 2.0 and doing a demo, overall demo of the whole platform. And so what I'm going to be doing different than a lot of people out there is I'm going to demo different aspects of Clickfunnels 2.0 and share where it can be beneficial in your business as well. So you're going to want to stick around for this video, and we're just going to get straight into it. So when you first come in, your dashboard, if you haven't used ClickFunnels before, or you're not familiar with funnel building software, well, right away here it tells you exactly what to do to get everything set up. So you would go in, watch this video, and then you can go in and set up your funnel hub. And it goes right in here. You can watch the video. It explains what to do there. I really like that. I haven't personally set up a blog. I have set up a course, but I didn't go through here. And then you can set up funnels, workflows, emails, products, and more. These are just different training. For me personally, I like to go through and do it. So, but I am versed in different software packages. And so the first thing I wanted to show you here, or I guess the second thing, is right up here in the left corner is your area where you have your workspaces. Now, if I had more than one workspace, then all my workspaces would be listed here. A workspace is basically a storage area for your business. So this is good if you have multiple businesses. Now, the trial comes with one workspace, and it'll give you a warning if you create another workspace, but that you'll have to pay for it. But if you go onto the ClickFunnels 2.0 after your trial, and you decide to go for the special offer that's on, not the most recent one, but not the one that just happened this last week, but the one that they currently have available, then you'll end up with 3 workspace accounts. So that's awesome if you have 2 or 3 different businesses, and you'll have an area for each one, right, all in the same account. And if you have a team of people, this is where you can also go to put in different files. Well, that's your team logo, and then you can integrate it with ClickFunnels Classic here as well. I haven't done that, but that's an option I just noticed at the bottom here. You have your team workspace, and there's a video that pops up there, and this is where you add your team members. So you can invite people into your team, and just for sake of time here, I'm just gonna show you and inviting people into the team. You can invite them as administrator. You have to put in their email address, so I'll just put in one of mine. Oops. And create that invitation. And now I'm invited. I can click on details here and go into the settings. Now I can grant permission of administrator here, or I can update membership. Yeah, so that's you can add it as a team member there, of course, and you have billing in here. Whoops, that wasn't supposed to happen, but that's all right. I'm not sure what went to happen there, but that's all right. I just wanted to show you that. That's an overview of where you can have your team team settings and then your team dashboard. So the different options for team members are like funnel builder, there's administrative options, a viewer, that would be like a copywriter to check out their site, and they have access to different areas but not all of them, so that's really awesome. So insights and funnels here, this is where you would go in and so you have your overview here. So this is what they call your funnel hub. So your funnel hub is I'll just go into mine. I can customize it, make it however I want. So this is where you would have if you have a store, you can do your store. I haven't edited this because I don't have a store. I don't have a store for products myself. But then, of course, these are all, when you notice like the curly brackets, all these things update as you are in. So when you create products, the products will be available if you check them off to be in your store. And then, of course, this is your page not found, or that one, page not found. You can put something else on here if you want. These are universal sections. So if I edit this section and I go in here and I make some changes, then it goes across the whole, like everywhere where I have a universal section where it's where was that purple color, like this, when it comes up and it says universal section, then it'll change everywhere. This is awesome for headers and footers. You don't have to go and change all your footers on all your pages anymore separately. You can go in to here, edit the universal section, especially when you update things like your privacy policy and terms and conditions. Then you can come in here, edit what you need to edit, and it'll save across all of your pages. So that's really, really amazing for that. So, and then of course you want to, if you are a blogger and your business depends on blogging, then you can go in and set up your blog. So when you go in here, this is what would show on that blog page. And you can put in articles, you know, you can have a new blog post come in here, and it's really easy to create. You would have your title, your summary of it, add your image, and then author and tags, different settings, and yeah, and then you can go to your blog home and see how that looks like. Like if you want to put in your picture and your name, you know, if you want to edit this a bit, you can come in here and edit as you see fit. So that's really, really nice for writers, you know, people that want to do blogs. That's for you. And then you can come in here, your customer center. That is where you have. I just want to go into it. I believe this is where your like area of where your courses are. Yeah. So this is where if you're a content creator or a course creator or coach or consultant or anything like that, this would be in what's called the customer center. And then your course home. So this would be for an individual course, and then there would be lessons, all the ones with these curly braces around them, those are basically what they do is they take the information from a different area of ClickFunnels and put it in there, so you don't have to go in and modify each of these. It's just going to add them in. It'll display this. Like, these don't all get displayed is what I'm trying to say, that it'll display them as you add courses in. And then your lesson page. So basically, if you don't want this, like your path name and stuff up here, you don't have to have it. If you want to edit this so it's different, to like if you have a free course, for example, and you want to put up in the header here, you can do that. I might take this universal section out and add a different header in where you could basically put in I'm just trying to see here where I can put that in. You would add in a different header where it would just say, if you want to upgrade, go here type of thing, and allows them to upgrade. So that is on the sites or the customer center, I should say. And then of course funnels are where you would direct people to if you have a product or service that you're promoting. You would want them to come into some type of funnel. So you could have an application funnel. This is for a coach or consultant typically. So there's a squeeze page, an opt-in, a thank you page, and so I'm just going to put in my application funnel. You call it whatever you want. So you can go in here and create these funnels. So this is just your layout. Then, of course, what you want to do is go into opt-in. And you can select one of the opt-in pages if you want, and go from there. And so I'm not going to create any of those. I'm just showing you overall what you can do. So a reverse squeeze page is, so basically something that's going to get somebody to do what you want them to do, like an opt-in and then there's the opt-in itself. So that squeeze page would be something where you'd have them, give them some information, they click, and then they go to the next step in the funnel, and then they go to the they opt in for whatever you're offering them, and then it goes to a thank you page. But like, you see how easy it is. There's templates here for thank you pages, but you can create your own as well. The editor's really nice to work with, really easy to design and create your own. Like I suggest creating your own, or if you like one of these templates, go in and edit it as well. So you can go in and thank you. I spelled that wrong, but that's all right. And then I go in and edit this, and I'll see what it looks like at the end here. So this is basically, they have different fonts here where you can type in whatever you want. You're in, and then different headlines. Now this is basically, this opens the pop-up, but they didn't include a pop-up. So what I'm assuming is going to be here is awesome, you're in, have a little bit of a description. You would have a call to action to this would be like a page where maybe they want to upgrade their order. For example, you can put in a video or a picture here. So yeah, if they want to upgrade their order to something different, that would be what that is in there. So that is funnels. And then I'm not going to go over pages. Pages are all your individual pages. Well, I'll go over it briefly here. Your theme, you have all your theme pages in here. So this is all of your, if you want to come in here and look for, say you're looking for a specific page and you're like, it's not coming up in my theme, why not? So that's where you can come in here and go to the page that you want to get to. You can type in the name of it and get to it quickly here. Your funnel pages, and then there's standalone pages as well. Like I have a privacy policy page that I put as a standalone page. And then your URL redirects. Now these are handy for affiliate marketers, where if you want to have something like I have set up here, this clicks to my, so it'll be this page that shows up for the user, but it redirects to my affiliate link for Clickfunnels 2.0. So if you're an affiliate marketer, this is really nice in terms of having this would be like pretty links, if you've heard of pretty links before. There isn't much tracking yet with this available that I could find, but it does allow you to have a more branded URL redirect rather than using like Linktree or Bitly. This looks a lot better, especially when it's your domain / something, and then you can have it, and it's fast too. Like I'll show you what it goes to. When I go to this redirect page, it loads here, yeah, so, and of course it's going to redirect again because this price isn't available anymore. The new price for Clickfunnels 2.0 is $24.96 per year, and you still get a lot of amazing bonuses like this. Funnel Builder Secrets course alone, like, is worth 10 times the price that you pay here. So, and I'm going through it currently on my own, so I can say that it's absolutely incredible. But that's just a side note. That's not what this video is about. So, URL redirects, that's really awesome for affiliate marketers. Now, courses, of course, are, if you're a course creator, content creator, maybe you want to design your own course, you're a coach, you're a consultant. What I like about this, and I did get, so you can create a blank course, a basic course, or a nested course. I can go in and create right from scratch. So whatever my course is, I'll title it that. Scott's course. I'll have a description of it. It kind of shows, like, it'll have, it has exactly what to do here. Description. And then you add in the URL that you want at the end of after your URL. You can select a theme and an image for it. So yeah, I'm just gonna move myself out of the way, X out of that. So I thought so it has tooltips for you to walk through, is what I was getting there. So if I want a different theme for my course, like there's, say I wanted the dark course theme that overrides my overall theme, then that's what I'll have in here for that. And yeah, so I can go create the course now. And this will be my, this will be what it looks like when it's not, I'll just show you what it looks like. It's not customized or anything, of course, because I haven't changed anything in it. But here, like, it's just a basic, this is a basic theme, and you can jump into the module there, but I haven't added anything. Now this one, I did choose a different theme on this one. So this one, I'll show you what that looks like, just so you can see what you can do with courses. Oh, whoops, not that one. That was a redirect, sorry. This course here is just I was playing around with this, and then of course going to module 1. Like it's not like, so don't get ate up by, it's not like it doesn't look like other courses and stuff like that. Actually, sometimes the more simple it's the better, because what I found when I was saving stuff into different courses for some of my clients, they actually had troubles navigating. So I really like this navigating. So don't think about you in terms of, oh, it's not, you want it to look pretty. Like, yes, you want it to look good and represent you well, but think of it as usefulness to your client or customer. So, and then you can publish different modules, and in each module you can have different lessons. So that's an overall overview of courses. Really easy to add a mod. Like, I can go and add a module in. If I'm doing a 5 or a 4-day thing, day 4 description, what you'll learn, and then it'll be day 4, and create that module. And now I have day 4 in here, and I can add a lesson over here into the module. So lesson 1 for day 4. You can add in your image. This is where you would you can edit your video or put in a video in here, I have got confirmation that it's up to 3,000 megabytes. So 3 gigabytes is the amount that you can upload max. But there is, as far as I know, there's no limit as to how many videos you can upload. So, so in answer to someone's question that I was seeing earlier is, well, do I have to store my video on a different hosting platform? No, you do not. When you have a video course, you can keep it all on Clickfunnels here, and it's all stored there for you to use. And then I'm going to see, oh yeah, so you can add in an audio file if you had one uploaded as part of your Clickfunnels account in the, I believe that's in, can't remember where to do that, but if you want to add a lesson audio element, then you can put in an audio file there. Be in your overall assets. That's what I was thinking of. I couldn't think of the term that they use, but they have assets in here, like digital assets. I believe it's in there, but don't quote me on that. I haven't gone into that part of it. Products, this is where you can add in your digital products like courses. And so you can create your own products in here. Right now it's digital products, but they are going to be adding physical products as well, or bundles as well. So that's really awesome to go in here. You can add in products there, and check on your orders. This is more for it's like a order management, however you want to call it, where people would come in and you can check up on their orders, or have somebody else look at that for you if you set them up in your team. Different subscriptions, any draft orders there are abandoned. So if somebody comes in and abandons the cart, then you can see that, and then order tags, so you can add tags to your orders as well. Contacts, I'm going to get out of there. Contacts, that's where you would have your list of people that have joined your opt-in, for example, for your emails. That's where you can have, that is your list of contacts. And then analytics is this part. You can go in and do reporting on different areas of your business. So if you want to check on your sales by funnel, by product, or overall, you can do that. Here's where your course progress is. So that just went back into the courses here, but yeah, so if you had somebody enrolled here like I do, you can see their progress as they go through the course. So you can see all your customers' progress. So if somebody for instance said, I completed everything and it doesn't work, and you can come in here and check and look and see it's at 0%. That's worst case scenario. The best case is, as you can say, send out emails once in a while encouraging your customers or clients and saying, hey, I see you're 15% through the program. Awesome job, and that type of thing, right? So it's really nice to have that. Domains is where you set up your This is where you set up your existing domains, or you can buy a domain right off of ClickFunnels in here. And then URLs this just shows you all of your URLs for your different things that you have set up most recent. So if I want to go into my courses, for example, and I want to give somebody the day 4 link, I come in here and I can copy this and send it over to them, and they'll get access to day 4 as long as they have a login for the course. You can have your funnel URLs are all in here as well. Yeah, so that's a general overall demo of ClickFunnels 2.0. There is a lot in here. Oh, I didn't go through marketing. So marketing, this is your email marketing. So you can set up broadcasts. You can set up broadcasts that go out to different email lists. You can create a broadcast very easily from a template, or you can create your own template like I did, because I basically just use text-based email. I don't have any fancy images or anything like that, and I have my reasons for that. But you can come in here and copy over your text that you want to put in, paste it, save and exit, and then you can send that out as a broadcast. So you put in the name, any topics that you want. So these are, the topics I have set up are general and marketing. So that there's topics that you can put in. You can edit your audience based on tag, so if your email address is set, but what I like to do is, for instance, so tags is, and then I would have them, if they have a certain tag, I would, like, for instance, they're buyers, and I want to send this to my buyers list. So I put it on the buyers. It'll show you how many people there. Select where it's coming from. So this is where you have to set up your emails in the marketing settings here. Your subject line, your pre-header, that's and you can go through that. So it's really nice. You have email templates if you want to create your own, and countdown timers. I haven't quite figured this one out yet, but basically you can add countdown timers. I don't have any myself personally yet, but you can come in here and put in countdowns. I'm not sure why it's in here, but you can create your timers in here. And then this is where you would put in your information for your company, email address, and topics. So here's where you add your topic if you want to have different topics. So this is nice, so people can unsubscribe to a list but stay on another list. So you maybe have a topic for a product that you're promoting, and then you can edit that really nice. This will show, you go into sales here. There isn't much here at all for sales, but what's coming is like conversations, appointments. This is going to be like at your CRM area. And that is coming too. They just haven't quite got to that yet. But overall, it is a very usable, very amazing platform. I use it for my affiliate marketing right now, and it's working incredibly well. So yeah, that's your demo of Clickfunnels 2.0, a full demo of it. And so if you're interested in testing it out for yourself, there's a 30-day trial, free 30-day trial in the comments below. So check that, and in the description of the video. And when you do that, I'm including over $20,000 worth of bonuses. There's around $13,000 worth, and then when you continue on with ClickFunnels after your trial, there's an extra bonus in there that's worth the $7,500. So that comes up to over $20,000 worth of bonuses for you. So make sure you check that out as well. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I will answer them as best I can.